Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you indenting bullet points in PowerPoint. So let's begin. As you can see, I have some bullet points in my slide right over here, and in order to indent them you simply need to select an option. Now my option is not showing here, but if you have the desktop app, then the option will be shown in the paragraph section. So I will click the three dots right over here and then select increase list level. Now your increased list level will be shown in the paragraph section if you're using the desktop app. So I have a slide right over here where I have some bullet points ready, and now I'm going to select the increase list level. So make sure to select a point, then select three dots right over here and then go to increase list level. You might not need to select three dots if the increased list level is right in front of you. So after you select increase list level, your bullet point will be indented just like this. And if you select the increased list level again, it will be indented even more. And if you don't want it to be indented, then you can go to more option and decrease list level. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.